All right, guys, I have been working hard pimping out my gazebo. Check this out, okay? I've got 2 new fans, all right? And this is what it looks like at night. You've got green. Guys, welcome back to my gazebo. So, again, pay attention to this video. The install is coming up here in a second. It's got these awesome lights, guys. Like, I am loving it, okay? You got different colors. You got blue, green, red, you name it. It just pops up, and it's got different types of awesome patterns and things like that. Obviously, it's got 6 fan speed settings, okay? So the fans are now going. I am in love with this thing. Super easy install, guys. It comes all pre-made and everything. You don't have to assemble anything. All you have to do is hang it up. Hang it up and plug it in. That's all you got to do. Like, that's it. So give it a thumbs up, all right? And pay attention for the rest of this video. They are really, really awesome and super easy to do. You can see that I just hung it straight from the ceiling. There's the hook. I added a carabine. So I added that carabine right there, and then it came with everything else. I just wanted it to be just a tad bit longer. But guys, what do you think? Okay guys, so here we are. We've got this. We're gonna put the long rod on, okay? We're gonna take this little cap, slides on, just like that, okay? From underneath. Looks like that. I'm gonna take this wire, fish it in all the way down, take this and connect it to here. This is gonna be the plug. And then don't forget to screw this little cap on for the connection to make it nice, tight, and snug so it doesn't come off. Okay, once you got that, you slide this on. Guys, this is super easy. You see these holes right here? You're gonna line them up. They got holes over here. You're gonna take this little pin, slide it through. You can slide it through this way if you want. Okay, this goes all the way through, just like that. Okay, boom. You take this little cotter pin, goes in here, just like that, so this thing doesn't go anywhere. And then once you do that, you take your screwdriver, screw this in tight. Well, there's two sides, 2 screws. Okay, this makes it extra secure so that it's not gonna fall out. It's like fail safe. Okay, so if this cotter pin falls out and this falls out, well, it still keeps it in place. You take this cap, goes down, makes it look beautiful. We're gonna take it up, hang it, and guys, we are in business. Now, it comes with one of these, and that's totally cool. I've got this too, so I'm probably gonna use this as well. But guys, this thing's gonna be beautiful when it's all done. So check it out. See how she looks. I'm gonna put that in. Set this on as well. I'm gonna put that hook on. Okay. Wow. This is beautiful. Man, I like this a lot. Okay. Right to tight. She's not gonna go anywhere. She is good. Okay. Now this is what I'm talking about. Okay. All right, guys. It is strung up. I've got the cord. It's at the height that I want it to be at. So here's the power cord that it comes with. I'm gonna plug it into here, my solar power unit. I'm gonna power up my inverter. Boom, that's on. Everything's running, and look, check that out, guys. It's on, okay? It comes with a remote control, fan on, okay? There she goes. It's Beautiful. All right, guys, I'm gonna connect the fan to the top. I've got a carabine that I'm gonna use to increase the length just a notch. Now this one is just a temporary carabine. I've got the better one coming tomorrow off Amazon, but for now, this will suffice to show you how it looks, okay? So, boom, just like that, guys, it works, okay? Check that out. That is awesome. Okay, so it's still got plenty of room and space. I'm gonna go to the top. So we still got clearance about 3 inches from the beam, at least 2.5 to 3 inches. For now, I've got that orange carabine. I got a black one coming for both sides, but for now, this works, okay? And I'm gonna wire, I just wired it, took the wire, it's right over here, okay, and I plugged it in to this outlet over here that I have on my gazebo. And again, this is also powered by my solar generator, okay? And that one's working. Now this one's working. I'm gonna put the batteries in the remote. Guys, this is awesome. Give it a thumbs up.